मेरे अंदर की दया है ना, वो डांस करने के लिए मर रही है, बट पता नहीं कैसे बोरिंग लोग हैं यहाँ पे, कोई भी डांस नहीं कर रहा है। Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. It's my day 3 in UAE. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Rui. I share my travel experience through videos, and this video is about another must-do activity in Dubai. Let's start. I am at Dubai Marina, one of the best, or can say the best area of Dubai. If you want to see the luxury of Dubai, come here. I was instructed to meet at gate 5. मैंने जो पैकेज सिलेक्ट किया है उसमें टाइम है 5 to 7 pm. So here we met our host at 4:45 pm and now we are going to our yacht. Outfit, you can wear anything fancy you want, but footwear you have to remove it anyway, so select accordingly. Grab your seats first. You can sit anywhere. There is a sitting area downstairs as well. But मैं यहाँ पे बैठ रही हूँ and yes, I am wearing a jacket because sunset के बाद जो ठंडी ठंडी हवा आएगी, for that you need this one. Look at this, just wow. Normally yacht means a white color. Forget it, not just a different type, but here you will see yachts in even so many colors. Look at the black one, looks so classy, right? हाँ, मुझे पता है ये सिर्फ 2 घंटे की राइड है, पर मुझे ना एकदम से टाइटैनिक वाली फील आ रही है। पता है वो दैट बोर्डिंग साउंड।
So guys, you can see that giant wheel over there. So it's called the Ain Dubai and it's world's largest giant. So we'll be stopping over there also to see the giant wheel, and from there only we can see the Blue Water Island and JBR Beach, which is like very famous in Dubai. And then we will head towards the Marina Canal. So guys, basically Marina Canal is a man-made canal which was built by Emaar. So in Dubai you have seen all the way Emaar, right? So it's a leading construction company of a roller. And then we'll come back to the harbour. So it will cover around 90 minutes, 2 hours of the duration.
And first thing first, booking. Yes, another booking from Klook app. You can either book a private yacht or go for a sharing one. But private yacht में मैं अकेली बोर हो जाती और मेरे पास कोई ग्रुप ही नहीं था, so but obvious मैंने sharing वाला yacht बुक किया हुआ है. हमारी ये वाली राइड स्टार्ट हो रही है फ्रॉम दुबई हार्बर यॉट क्लब एंड वी आर गोइंग टू कवर ब्लू वाटर आइलैंड्स, दुबई एन एंड पाम जुमेरा. मैंने 5 to 7 pm का पैकेज सिलेक्ट किया है क्योंकि ये बेस्ट टाइम है, आपको बेस्ट पिक्चर्स क्लिक कर सकते हैं और जैसे जैसे सन सेट होने लगता है वेदर भी बहुत अच्छा हो जाएगा. ओह वाह, व्हाट अ प्लेजेंट वेदर. मेरे अंदर की दया है ना, वो डांस करने के लिए मर रही है, बट पता नहीं कैसे बोरिंग लोग हैं यहाँ पे, कोई भी डांस नहीं कर रहा है. अगर आपके पास लिमिटेड टाइम है तो दुबई में ये 4 एक्टिविटीज़ ज़रूर कीजिए। द फर्स्ट वन इज़ विजिट दुबई मॉल एंड एन्जॉय फाउंटेन शो। द सेकंड one is desert safari. Third is Old Dubai walking tour with Abra ride. And number 4 पे है दुबई मरीना। हाँ, बट इसके बाद आपको दुबई और एक्सप्लोर करने का मन करेगा। We are passing by Burj Al Arab, the only 7-star hotel. ये अलग ही जगह है। दुबई की लग्जरियस लाइफस्टाइल आपको यहाँ पे दिखेगी और ये यॉट राइड में आपको टोटली न्यू दुबई दिखता है। द आर्किटेक्चर ऑफ द दुबई, द लाइट्स, ऑल द वेल मेंटेन्ड प्रॉपर्टीज, एवरीथिंग। और ये देखो दुबई की शानदार स्काईलाइन, द वाटर बॉडी, फेमस बुर्ज अल अरब, सम आइलैंड्स, और क्या ही चाहिए। दुबई एक ऐसी जगह है जहाँ पे आपको अपने बजट में लग्जरियस लाइफस्टाइल एक्सपीरियंस कर सकते हैं एंड इट विल टेल यू व्हाट इज दुबई एंड ट्रस्ट मी, इट्स ऑस्ट्रक। यू विल रियलाइज व्हाई दुबई इज द बेस्ट। हियर इज द गोल्डन आवर, sun is setting. Sometimes there comes a boring part in life, just like a movie. We want to skip it, fast forward it, ignore it, but that is what it takes all our patience. The story is building, it's a twist in a plot. I came here from the traffic hustle to adjusting in this yacht. The excitement of the beginning, curiosity to look everything around, and here is a twist. This is that boring part of my life for you guys. I am on a solo trip and there comes a moment you are zoned out. The loud music at the background mutes, all the people around you disappear. It's just you and the sound of nature, the sound of waves, the sound of wind, and the sound of setting sun. Suddenly, a lot of things pass by, all the grief comes out, those unanswered questions, who you are, what you are going to do, everything. You connect to your soul. And there comes a beautiful breeze and everything vanishes. You look around to your present, this present, and you feel that happiness. This is what you call exploring, and you get that moment when you travel. Solo travel का यही तो मज़ा है। We are at the Dubai Ain, one of the most beautiful places to visit.
Well, the Mississippi flowing mighty and strong. Seen 1,000 stories, been here so long. Carries dreams and sorrows down to the sea. Ain't no man alive can tame that stream. Oh, roll on Mississippi, take my blues away. Carry my troubles far from yesterday. I hear you calling, whispering low. Gonna ride your waters where the four winds blow.
This is a dope cruise. You can have dinner here as well. Dubai Marina and Dubai Creek are two places for yachts and cruise dinners. If you want to see Old Dubai, you can book Dubai Creek, and if you want to see New Dubai, book Dubai Marina. In my package, I didn't book snacks as well, so I got a water bottle at the beginning and a soft drink in the middle. You can buy extra drinks on extra charges as well. There are yachts available with water games and food, but only morning option was available and there is no option for vegetarian food as well. So I had to book this yacht only. And that's it guys. I hope you liked my video. If you do, please do share and subscribe to my channel. And please don't forget to share your experience in the comment section as well. Ta-da!